exploring magnets. What is the name of the chapter?
Exploring magnets.
Before we begin today's class, let's quickly recall what we learned in the previous class. Okay? In the previous class, I taught you about the magnet. And the second, the forms of the magnet. The forms of a magnet. And the third one is repulsion. The concept of repulsion and attraction. Magnet. What is a magnet? A magnet is an object that attracts magnetic material, such as iron, cobalt, nickel. The second one is the poles of a magnet. Okay? How many poles does a magnet have? A magnet has always two poles. Okay? A magnet has always two poles. What are these two poles called?
North.
Yes,
North and south.
North pole and south pole. Very good. Sit down. Even if a magnet is broken into pieces, it still has two poles, North pole and south pole. Okay? Suppose this is a bar magnet. Okay? This is a bar magnet. North pole and south pole. Okay? These two poles, okay, North pole and south pole. Okay? North pole and south pole. Magnetic field is the strongest at these two poles. Okay? Magnetic field is the strongest at these two poles. Okay? Now all of you understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now in today's class we are going to do a fun activity with a magnet. Okay? So we have a magnet and some different objects. I request everyone, please come to me. So you can observe carefully. Come. We have a glass, plastic spoon, wooden pencil, a clay, a banger, an eraser, a piece of tape. Okay? So these are the objects. Okay, different objects. Let's find out which objects are attracted to the magnet and which objects are not attracted to the magnet. Okay? First, let's predict. What about this plastic spoon? Will it stick? No. Okay? Let's test it. Right? No, it does not stick. Okay? Why?
Because it is plastic.
Yes, it is a plastic spoon. Okay? It is made of plastic. So, or we can say plastic is a non-magnetic material. Very good. What about this clay? Will it stick?
Yes.
Yes. You can see it sticks.
Yes.
Or we can say iron is a magnetic material. Okay? Because it is made of iron.
Yes.
So, okay. What about this wooden pencil?
No.
It will not stick. Because
It is made of wood.
wood. Okay, it is made of wood. Or we can say wood is a non-magnetic material. Okay. What about this device?
No.
No. Because it is made of rubber. So we can say rubber is a non-magnetic material. Very good observation. What about this bangle?
Yes.
It will stick. You can see. It sticks. So why it is
Because it is made
Made of
of steel.
iron? Iron. Okay. You can see.
So yeah.
Okay. Very good observation. So iron is a
Iron is a magnetic
material.
material.
Very good. Very nice. What about this paper?
No.
Yes, as you can see, it does not stick.
Yes.
So we can say paper is a non-magnetic material. Okay. What about this glass?
No.
No. As you can see, it does not stick. So glass is also a non-magnetic material. So what we observed in today's class? We observed that some materials are magnetic and some objects are non-magnetic. यानी कि कुछ जो चीजें होती हैं वो चुंबक की ओर आकर्षित होती हैं. ओके. अब कुछ जो चीजें हैं वो आकर्षित नहीं होती हैं. So I request everyone go back to your seat. So thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Have a nice